Now, two things you need to remember. Here are, we have mentioned that there are two tools that we have used. What is the name of that tool? Here we have given there are two tools, lead capture tool and the notify tool. What is a lead capture tool? It is a Excel sheet. It is an Excel sheet which we are talking about. So here we are using one tool, first tool that we are using. Everyone, please understand this. The first tool that we are using is called as the lead capture tool. Okay. So we will use a Google sheet. Everyone, we will use a Google sheet, right? Right now, we don't have any credentials. So what should we do? We should add a credentials, everyone. Yes or no? So what we are going to do? We will just click on the sign in button. I'll click on sign in button, and here we will basically use the email ID that I already used, which is second email. I will allow this to access my Google Drive. It will now access my Google Drive. Collection is successful. It means everything is working fine. Okay, everything is working fine, which means it knows right now there is a Google Sheet, but the Google Sheet does not exist, everyone. So what I will do is I will go to my Google Drive. Everyone, I will go to my Google Drive here into this drive, and here what I will do is I will create a lead capture sheet, everyone. So here what I'm going to do, there is already a lead capture sheet we have created, but I will create a new version. Everyone, I will create a new version which is a blank spreadsheet. The new version is, this is a doctor, let me name this as a lead capture sheet for Dr. ABC. Okay, this is the name which I have given to them. Okay, now I will basically create some columns. What are the different columns? These are the different columns which I will create, everyone. These are the columns which I have copy pasted, which is what is the lead email, what is the problem, what exactly it needs. So need data, score, and what is the lead type, right? And example lead message also. Now, couple of things you can remove. You don't need. So directly we will delete this. Email, problem, what is the score, what is the lead type. Lead type basically means, is it urgent, is it not urgent, is it fine, it is fine in this case. So it will give you that thing also. You can also delete this. This is your all message. This is a message which is given by the lead, which is the problem actually. So lead message, this is also we can delete. So right now we only need only these four columns, which are what is the lead email, what is the problem, what is the score, and what you are suggesting, what exactly you are suggesting in this case. So what I will do is I will just mark this as anyone with the link, because we will just copy the link directly in this case. Now I will go back to N10. Here I need to mark this as a lead, right? So first of all, I will change the name, because in the agent, if you click on this icon, we have given him a name. Everyone, we have given him a name, which is the tool name. What is the tool name? The tool name is lead capture tool. Can you see that? It's a lead capture tool. So I will name this as a lead capture tool only. We will change the name to lead capture tool. Everyone clear? How many of you are clear with this? So we will change the name to lead capture tool only. Okay, so that it matches. AI agent knows that, okay, this is the tool which matches. Now, it is asking me two things. It is asking me, first of all, where is the sheet? What I need to do? This is the sheet. What I need to do? I need to do append and update, which means I will be adding a row, because whatever the leads are coming, I need to append a row, which means I need to add a row whenever a new lead comes. It is asking me, where is your sheet? Where is your sheet? We will say from the, if you select list, you will automatically get the list item, which is lead capture sheet by ABC. Yes or no? Because we have added the credentials, because I have already added my credentials, I am getting a suggestion of this automatically. If it is not coming, I can also give my URL. Everyone, I can also give my URL, which we have copied. The URL which we have copied, stare, this copy, that URL also you can give directly. This will also work automatically. Fair? From the sheet, it is asking which sheet one. So this is sheet one. Sheet one basically means this sheet one. This sheet one. From this sheet, it is telling me, okay, there are a couple of columns which I have figured out. I have figured out lead email is there, problem sheet is there. Everyone, I have figured out there are lead email, problem, score, and or. But what should I do with them? I will say, first of all, column to match, you need to match with lead email. And I will say, let the AI decide. Let the AI decide AI will automatically put these values. I will not put the value. AI will automatically put the values based on the problem in this case. Everyone, based on the problem in this case, it will automatically put the value. So it will automatically put the values, right? But here, there is an interesting thing we need to update, which means we have told that this is what the response should be, where we will have a lead, email, problem, score, and AI suggestion, right? So it means we need to tell, the agent, we need to rewrite the agent again, rewrite the prompt again, because now we will tell them that will be pushing, I will be pushing the data from the this AI agent to the lead capture tool with the columns. So I need to tell him that these are the columns which are there, which is lead, email, problem, score, and AI suggestion. Can you modify the prompt so that AI agent knows that he it needs to push the data to lead capture capture tool also. Okay, so what I have done is I have just letting the agent know that okay, there is a Excel sheet attached to it. So it is here, you can see, push the data to lead capture tool. So now we have modified the thing, everyone. So here is the lead, email, problem, score, and everything. Make sure that you add these details. So this is the update that we have to do. How many of you are clear? Now we have an updated prompt, which is this is the lead capture example also we have given. We have given the example also, that lead capture email, which you have got it from this, problem statement you have got it from this, score you have given, and this is the AI suggestions or suggestions that you have basically given as it is, right? So now this is a complete prompt which basically we can use directly in this case. Okay, this is a final version. So I will just double click here and I will just replace this with the this one. Okay, now one thing is that I will just enter one line. I will remove this. You are a AI assistant designed to process and analyze the medical inquiries submitted by a patient to a doctor. This is the problem statement, which is email and problem that you will have. You will analyze the things. You will basically mark them as urgent. You will provide a immediate suggestions. Then you will push the data to lead capture tool. This is the tool. Whenever you mention the name of the tool, if you want to make this exactly, make sure you add them into double quotes. Double quotes basically means now AI agent will know that this is the exactly the tool which we want to do. Okay, after that there is an option to send an email to the patient also. So this is also send an email to the patient using tool. We will mention using a tool which is notify 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 lead. This is a notify lead is a tool that we are going to use. Okay, notify tool or notify lead, whatever you want to call it. Notify tool ही कर देते हैं. Okay, we'll name this as notify tool. Notify tool directly. Okay, notify tool. Okay, cool. So for notify tool, what we need to do? We need to add one more tool, which is our Gmail. Everyone, yes or no? We need to send an email. Everyone agree? So whatever the email that we have, we will be basically sending a Gmail, right? So Gmail automatically we will sending it. Let this model will decide. It will automatically find the email. It will automatically find each and everything. Account we have already added. If you have not added, you just need to click here and click on sign in button. Automatically it will be added. So automatically we have added. Let this is the send email. But do we have to change the name of this? The answer is yes. We need to change the name of this. The name should be, what is the name we have talked about? Notify tool. This is a notify tool actually in this case. So this is a notify tool. Now, what do you think, guys? So we have, this is the send email and this is the capturing of the email. This is the capturing of the email in this case. Everyone clear with this point till now? Let's try to run it and see what is happening. Okay. So let's do again. So first of all, email ID. Email ID is Pramod at the rate one at the rate TeachYou. Okay, let's use teachu.ai. Okay, what is the problem? Severe headache from last 3 days at the night. So this is the problem that we have. Okay, so your headache, so basically we'll modify. I have a headache from last three nights, right? This is the problem that we have. Fair? Had headache. Okay, last 3 night. Please suggest me something, whatever. Click on submit. The moment we submit this, you will see automatically it will go to AI agent. AI agent is now using Google Gemini. It has captured the lead. It has captured the lead, and now it has emailed also. Let's see if it has captured or not. Can you see that, everyone? Can you see that, everyone? How many of you can see that? Give me yes in the chat. So this is what exactly it has captured. It has captured Pramod plus one, which is the lead it has captured. I have a headache. Headache score it has given 6, maybe 6. Okay. Consult a doctor. So suggestions are very scary, everyone. So don't take it seriously. Consult a doctor if the headache persists for and worsens. Try to over-the-counter pain relievers and blah 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 multiple things. Ensure the etiquette in this case. Avoid triggers like caffeines and everything. Apply cold warm composite to the headache and everything. Okay. Now let's see if you got the email also, everyone. Shall we see if we got an email? The answer is absolutely yes. Do you see an email, everyone? This is a amazing email that we got. Yes or no? We got an email also for this. By the way, if you want to remove this, you can remove it by clicking add the exception, add the appendation and remove this. So you will not get the automatic in this case, right? Everyone with me? So this is a simple tool. Now you will see what happened. Where is, one second. Where is step number 2 gone? Our sticky note. Anyways, we'll add here. So this is actually this is the first, this is the, which is, this is basically capture the problem and decide. This is the capture a problem and decide. This is what exactly it do. Okay. This is exactly what it is doing right now. Capturing the problem and deciding. Okay. Couple of questions which we'll see. फॉर्मेटिंग ठीक करना है. ओके, फॉर्मेटिंग इज वेरी सिंपल, कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. ओके, व्हाट वी विल डू here, we will mention in the chat gpt, modify the prompt so that you will also share me a to the notify tool, a proper formatting of html will be given. Okay, so I have just modified this. I have basically telling him that okay, can you please modify the prompt so that I will get a proper html format email in the notified email. Okay, so this is what exactly I have asked. Can you please modify the prompt so that I will get a proper html in this case? What exactly it will do? It will basically now give you a very interesting thing. Okay, last part it will change, only the last part you will see. Rest of the things are same. In the generate send email, this is the part, it will give you a example output. Okay, so last part it will basically last part it will say this is the one that we need to use. So this part I will just copy and I will know basically change it here, everyone. So what I'm going to do, I will come here. The last part which was the email and everything which we are getting, everyone, I will just remove this, replace this. Isko replace kar diya, that's it. I will replace this, that generate and send an email by using the notified tool. Okay, notified tool, a well formatted format. This is the format that you can use. This is what exactly you will get it. That's it. Click on save. Okay, now let me run it again. Let's run it again and let's see second time. Okay, so what is the let this run. Okay, now promote at the rate 2. This time I'm going to use the second email id because we have to use the different email id. Promote at the rate 2. The problem, what is the problem? Problem is severe pain in the eyes, burning cessation, and not able to sleep for last 2 days. Everyone, just a rough idea. Okay, this is just a rough idea, don't take it seriously. This is just a problems which I am basically giving. Okay, now you can close this. So it will now basically use the AI agent. It will now use the brain. Okay, it will first capture your lead, right? It will start capturing your lead. You will see it has captured my lead. Can you see that? Pramod at the rate 2 captured the lead. The score is 9. Seek emergency medical attention immediately for an avoid rubbing your eyes and everything, blah blah blah, multiple things. ठीक है. And then we will see a email, and now you will see a proper email. Yes or no? Yes or no? Proper email है ना? Yes. and it has also marked red also out of this. How many of you are clear? Give me yes in the chat. Isn't it awesome? Yes or no? Isn't it awesome?